Can't find the Play Store on your Google TV home screen? You're not alone. On many Google TV versions, the Play Store icon is hidden by default. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you the exact way to open Google Play Store on Google TV. So let's get started. On Google TV, the Play Store may appear on the home screen, but to open it fully, follow these steps. First, go to your Google TV settings. Scroll down and go to Apps. Click on See All Apps. Scroll down and click Show System Apps. Scroll down and find Play Store app. Select Play Store app and open. You can now fully access the Play Store app. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.